It's a 1986 Toro. Has, it's pretty old. Toro. Yeah, it has everything. It will start. I just need to put fuel in it. I've had it running before. Has a 8-horse Briggs & Stratton engine on it. It's got all the basic controls. Got the steering wheel. Driving. Now, this thing, if you see, it doesn't have the mower jack. Well, here's the mower jack right here. I took it off for the clearance, and I'm not going to really need it in any way. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little thing. My neighbor got a new one. So, yeah, she gave me this one. And as you guys know, I would never say no to something free. Just the way I am, I suppose. But yeah, here is the thing. A quick thing I would like to say is I am going to start putting an intro on my channel, before every video. And, I like to try to do a video every single day, which is going to be tough to deal with school, I mean, if any of you that watch this video know Blue Tiger, Blue Tiger, he is my nephew. Yes, I did a video with him earlier on the ghost hunting video. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely something I'd like to try to start doing. And yeah. But guys, it's my room. I got my aquarium. They're happy. But yeah, that is pretty much all for today. I will do this so you guys can see me. Hi guys, just back here, and I just wanted to do a little update. And yeah, thank you all who have watched, who subscribed to me. I'd love to get to at least, give it 10 subscribers, and I will do a giveaway, I think. Yes, I will. Yeah, just keep on watching. Love to all, and peace.